we're going to add a little bit of programming now. I know you're saying yay. We're going to add a little bit of programming to some of these controls. First of all, I'm going to right click and go to properties for each of these, and I'm just going to double click on the caption and type over it. For the first favorite food, I'm going to put apple. It's pretty much a classic there. I'm going to click here, and if I hit F4, I should be able to immediately, no, that doesn't work on there. On the user forums in our next chapter, we will show you some keyboard shortcuts, but I'll go ahead and be right back after I type in the favorite foods and drinks. Okay, so we have our list of favorite foods. We have an apple, donuts, or candy, and our favorite drinks might be coffee, soda, or iced tea. So, with that, let's say that we're doing some kind of compatibility test. And so they have to either select the correct answer or when they do select a certain combination of responses, you may do something based on what they respond. So let's go ahead and also we're going to right click in properties again. I just thought of this. We need to give each of these a name if they're meaningful. So instead of option button 1, which means nothing to me when I'm programming, when I see that it means nothing. It doesn't mean apple to me. So I'm going to put OB for option button. That's just a personal thing. OB apple, hit enter. Click here. This will be OB donuts, and etc. So I'll be right back after I do. Okay, we're just finishing up here. OB iced tea, and hit enter. So I'll close the properties window. So now what that does is that enables me to kind of analyze things. So I could do a click event on each and every one to analyze everything, which I probably will do, or I could put a button like a submit button at the end, and that will do the final analysis. So let's just go that route to keep things simple. Let's click a button right here, and we'll go ahead and I'm not going to give that a label right now, but what we want to do is if they selected apple and they selected iced tea, we're going to give a message that says, wow, that's really healthy choices, because those are the healthiest choices. So we could do that on a click event for the option button. I'm going to go ahead and have that be on the final submission of this little quiz. So double click there, and on the command button 1 underscore click event, we're just going to say if me, because the worksheet is me right now. If we were in a user form, that user form would be me. So if me, the worksheet, dot OB, you notice our controls are showing up now because we gave them nice names. If me.ob apple tab equals true, meaning it's selected, and me.ob, what was the other one, iced tea tab equals true, then message box that says that's really healthy, exclamation mark, end if. So let's just try that now. Take it out of design mode, and I'm going to click the button. Did anything special happen? Well, no. Let's click on the apple and iced tea. That's really healthy, it says. Cool, so that worked. Now, what we want to do is if they clicked on maybe our favorite things. My favorite thing is candy, and I like coffee as well. Well, actually, coffee and donuts go together really well. So we're going to give them a special message when that happens as well, too. So we'll just do an else if. Else if me.ob donuts is true and me.ob coffee equals true, then, and the message box would be, that's my favorite. So you can do anything that you want. Let's try that out. Donuts and coffee. That's my favorite. Iced tea and apples. That's really healthy. So, of course, coffee and soda, or candy and soda, you might say that's probably the most unhealthy thing you could choose. So you can do whatever you want with that. We'll show you a little bit more in the next video. We're going to delve into different click events and things like that.